Position classification systems can provide the foundation for job design and support, as well as a basis for management, tracking, and control of employment numbers, costs, and position levels. When the function of position classification systems is job design and support, they provide the basis for the division and coordination of work, recruitment efforts, selection methods, training programs, appraisal systems, and other human resource functions through the analysis and organization of jobs. Position classification systems are also structures that manage, track, and control employment numbers, costs, and levels of positions. In this context, they are frequently called position management systems. Position systems start with the duties and responsibilities of a single individual whose job is called a position. Clusters of positions with similar characteristics are organized into a job classification, job class, classification, or simply job or class, terms that are used interchangeably. Technically, the term job refers to identical positions, whereas classes refers to similar positions in which there are equivalent responsibilities and training, although the specific duty assignments may vary. Classes that are linked developmentally are grouped into class series. Class series are subsequently grouped into large occupational families. Related occupational families, such as white-collar jobs, are assigned a pay plan or schedule in which the grades, steps, and related pay are determined. As rational as this theory sounds, practice can produce disorderly systems. The size of the jurisdiction, number of bargaining units, and the history of the jurisdiction produce very different position classification systems with different sorts of challenges and contradictions. Separate pay plans are created for each major group: blue-collar, clerical and support staff, public safety, executives, confidential staff, and a variety of professional groups in particular agencies, such as health professionals, engineers, lawyers, judges, and so on. From a strategic human resource management perspective, they would be grouped together or divided into just a few major groups. Rank and person systems reduce the number of job classifications through the use of a uniform series of ranks for a multitude of operational positions. Systems with rank are normally closed to lateral entry, entry from outside the organization without completion of a junior or entry-level position, unlike position systems. In some, though many small jurisdictions have and function acceptably with piecemeal patterns, large jurisdictions need formal position classification systems. Such systems help to track and control positions as well as support those positions by logical groupings called job classes, class series, occupational families, and pay plans. The two most important tools in position classification and management are job analysis and job evaluation. In theory, a job evaluation is a special type of job analysis, one that attaches a dollar value or worth to the position. In practice, job evaluations are often so specialized that they operate as different functions from job analysis. Position classification systems provide grades or ranks for all merit positions as well as for non-merit positions. This allows for rational position management systems that assign authorized salary ranges to each grade or rank. In the ideal, all merit jobs are thoroughly analyzed for content and rigorously evaluated for relative worth. Furthermore, the system should provide internal equity among organization members and external equity with those in similar positions outside the organization. The system should also furnish an opportunity to reflect seniority, merit, skill, and other specialized individual equity concerns, such as locale and shift differences. In reality, position management systems rarely meet such standards, partly because of the expense and effort required to maintain such ideals, and partly because of the competing and inconsistent demands placed on these systems. Not all personnel systems are based on formal position classification systems. Piecemeal personnel systems are those that lack grades or ranks and assign salaries on an ad hoc basis. Job relationships may be reflected in an organizational chart, and brief job descriptions may exist. Piecemeal personnel systems still are common in small governments. Obvious drawbacks include inconsistency, lack of integration of human resource functions such as hiring, appraisal, and promotion, and the possibility of legal challenges regarding hiring and promotional validity. Historically, jobs have been evaluated using a holistic job methodology. What was the particular job thought to be worth in general terms? Despite the flexibility and immediacy of such systems, they are prone to distortions based on personalism, limited information, and excessive focus on the job incumbent. Today, organizations use point factor methods when they find that a position classification system has become too inconsistent and outdated. In the majority of cases, an external consultant conducts an underlying pay study to design the new pay system because of the time and expertise required to accomplish such a large task. Point factor systems are excellent for internal equity, but they do not ensure external equity. External equity is maintained through the linking of the entire point factor system to a compensation comparison of select jobs outside the organization. For their part, it is essential for employees and managers to understand job evaluation factors so that they can maximize the prospects for success and petitions for reclassification. Too frequently, a good employee is performing well but has weak grounds for a reclassification, which is based on the nature of the position and not her particular skills or assignments. Unless grounds can be established that the position itself has been fundamentally and permanently altered, a reclassification request may be turned down.